The river has frozen up. Look at this. Look at this, guys. -7 out today. She's a little chilly, but you know, we're just gonna go out and rip it anyway. What are you doing? What's going on?
I'm gonna rip it.
You're gonna rip it?
Let's do it.
You're gonna sink it?
She's going in.
She's going.
Yeah.
Please don't do that. I just cleaned it all out. It's a little cleaner now, eh?
It's a little cleaner.
She needed a bath. So
The windshield needs a little white.
I know, it's that glue from the sticker that was on there. I've been.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm over it already.
We're looking for a Goo Gone sponsor.
Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna rip the dirt bike today because you know it's dirt bike day, and we got some fresh powder. So why not? Let's go down the track and spin a few laps and maybe do some wheelies. Maybe Brad can stall it and ruin it again.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, ruin my quad. Yeah.
Well, where is my quad?
It's still at the shop. So they got it going, but it won't stay running. As soon as you hit the gas, it's like bleh.
I did not touch that thing.
As soon as you touched it.
Quads are just like Fords. You let that sit for 2 years. You let a Ford sit for 2 weeks. That thing's not going to run right ever again.
Then let his Focus sit at the barn for 3 years.
Focuses are different.
3 years.
Focuses are different. They're made by Chevy.
It's made by Ford. Oh, Brad.
Oh.
Chevy Brad 69. How was work last night? You save any lives?
I didn't have to save any lives.
No Luke and lives last night?
None.
Yes.
I kept my chair warm, and I was ready to go.
I ripped the Ford the other day through the snow, and then I went through the car wash, and the thing just froze solid. So I don't know if that was a good idea or a bad idea, but this thing is just packed with snow. But it was a little cleaner last night. Maybe I'll put her in the garage tonight and let her thaw out. Or not, I don't know, we'll see. What are you doing? I never know what you're doing back there. Snowball grenade! All right, well, let's fire up this potato gun.
Let's do it.
And yeah, so every time I use the potato gun now, my old ones, I used to fill with gas, shoot them, put them away. And the gas really dries everything out, mainly the valves. So the old one got so freaking dry and sticky that it just would be like, and then it didn't feel safe anymore. So now every time I use it, throw a little oil in there, lube up that valve.
Forgot my belt again. Keeps snapping open.
All right, well, let's fill this thing up and do a quick flame for the team. Because everyone loves a flamethrower. Do we go into the wind or away from the wind?
Let's go into the wind. It's kind of chilly today.
All right. Can't say no to that. Brad's a paramedic, so we always listen to Brad.
You'll be safe.
All right. You stand over here, maybe?
Yeah, maybe. I didn't know which way you were shooting there at first.
Ready?
We got a dog bark out of that one.
I don't think the dog liked that one.
No. Oh. Lit the snow on fire.
That's always a win when you light the snow on fire. I think I should put this out or just let it burn.
Just let her burn.
It's weird, this thing like bubbles after. Put the microphone up against it.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you can hear it on the microphone.
Weird.
Alright, well, let's load up the dirt bike and go for a little test drive.
Get into something else.
Yeah.
What else can we do out here?
Oh.
She's out.
She good.
Oh, look at that black beauty in between those two white.
I know.
You can hardly see those white cars
It's
in
like
the
a
snow.
reverse Oreo.
Vanilla Oreo. I don't know what you would call that.
We should race the Kia against the Ford. They're both turbocharged.
Let's do it.
Maybe we convince her that.
Yeah, we'll ask Rob.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Building a barge? We're building a barge.
Let's build a barge.
All right, let's load this thing up first. Up we go. And up on the frame there.
Yeah, I got her.
You got her?
There?
Ugh. Getting too old to climb in the back of this thing. I need the step.
Can't do all the witches.
I know. Up. I mean, we could use a ramp, but Ramps
Oh,
are
I didn't even know he had them.
ramps are no fun.
I'm done. We're using the ramp every time now.
Next 80% of the time,
I
every
worked out yesterday. My toast. Slept in a reclining chair last night.
I thought you were saving lives last night.
Well, I was ready to.
All right, strap her in. All right, back up the snowmobile trail. Should we just rip up there?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
The groomer pulls up beside us. We're just stuck in the middle of the trail, in the middle of the field. I like this GoPro on my head thing, but I gotta sit down really low because I'm too tall and
it makes you look like a gangster. It's threatening.
I feel like a gangster right
Just
now.
keep her between the ditches here, all right?
This Ford, you know, for its first 1000K, I beat on it pretty good.
Yeah.
I let everyone test drive it. Oh, don't go off the path.
It's gonna be a long walk when I have to go get the GMC to come pull you out.
Your GMC wouldn't even make it down the driveway. You couldn't even make it down the snowmobile trail.
The old one's a GMC. This is a Chevy.
Oh, the Chevy.
The 22-inch rims are just rip right through this.
They just carve right through like Santa's sleigh, eh? Let's hope that Chevy starts. The old Impala.
Oh,
it's been a while.
She was a beaut.
She's been through a lot.
The Impala and the Jeeps, they're basically like...
I think the Dodge was the best. You know, we put it through hell and back about 800 times.
That Durango.
And I think I put maybe 30 bucks in gas in it in total for like 3 months.
It was awesome.
That's what dreams are made of.
One time we should just, if we get another Durango, we just keep it as the fire.
Well, it did pretty well until I rammed that car the one day, and that was kind of...
Yeah.
She didn't really drive straight after that.
The old Buick, like, time for that girl to go home.
Alright, let's unload the bike, take it for a quick spin.
Change my name on there to Freeman. Oh, it's my brother-in-law.
You gotta change your name to Freeman?
No, just
for an order?
Just for an order, that's it.
Just to get the discounted Freeman prices, right? Look at the powder! Woo! Kick it!
Kick it?
Kick it.
Yes, kick it.
Just kick it.
Just kick
I'm
it.
still getting used to this white truck. Who would ever thought I'd buy another white truck?
No, we do. Jumping with a snowboard.
I thought you were gonna say jump to Ford.
Wait till you're about to take it back. She looks pretty good though. That
Yeah,
bike.
she looks crisp. Except all these icicles hanging off the side from the purple icicles from the car wash.
Yeah. I thought my new shades were giving me color blindness or something. I was seeing that purple.
Those shades, they look pretty crisp.
I'm like,
those.
I can see clearly now.
Like, I feel like we're a part of a photo shoot right now, LTD photo shoot.
Yeah, that's what it is.
There was 3 people on our volleyball game last night wearing LTD gear.
It's
Me, Matt,
big.
and the other team was wearing it too.
Yeah?
It was hilarious. So.
I did a call last week and the whole family had LTD on.
Really?
Yeah.
That's hilarious. I wonder if they were fans.
I don't know.
Maybe they're the fans of you. They were.
I think they were. They stared at me the whole time, but maybe that's because I was the medic. And
Did I tell you what Justin did
what's that?
on his way home the other night?
Oh yeah, he told me.
Yeah. So Justin was heading home after some shenanigans here. Got to an accident. Decided, an arm popped out the window. This car was flipped over. So he turned around, went back, pulled the people out of the car, being a hero.
Yeah.
Then the lady pisses all over his Dodge. Literally. Inside his truck, there's piss. Yeah. So he had to rip like his seats off and
He did?
clean the whole thing. Yeah, he took like the leather off or however.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's just a mess. Like, who pees? And he offered the kids Skittles, and they're like, we don't eat Skittles. It's like, Justin,
open the door and let
Justin
them out.
just did this like amazing thing for these people.
Huge
Waited
favor.
2 hours for an ambulance and the cops.
Not for an ambulance. It would have been under 8 minutes.
Okay, yeah. Brad, it wasn't.
feels-
Well, if Brad was working that night, it would have
feels
been.
like 2 hours, but guys, it was under 8 minutes.
It was 2 hours. They came from Goderich. Anyways,
Oh, yeah, that's very good.
I'll stop talking about that. But yeah, don't pee in people's cars. Unless it's Brad Chevy, then you're free game.
Hey, I wouldn't have stopped.
You wouldn't have stopped.
I wouldn't.
Unless you were working, you wouldn't have stopped.
I would have stopped, but at the point that they refused Skittles, I would have been like, if you're good enough to refuse Skittles, get out.
Get the hell out.
Get out.
Alright, let's rip this thing. Alright.
Keep the clutch in when I said it?
No, it's in neutral. Just don't put it in gear.
No.
Brad's attempt at starting the bike. Oh, second kick.
Like, no problem, guys.
You're basically an old pro now. Looking good.
Alright.
I'm gonna ride it first and then you can ride it.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
it's just a bit of powder on top and a sheet of ice underneath. There was zero traction, so.
Kick her up over the hill here. Let's see something. Nice slow ride up and
Imagine
over.
if I jumped that.
Go for it.
Now it won't start.
You want me to start that for you? Oh, you broke it. And he's down. Look at this thing go.
Hey, it's your turn.
That looks pretty icy for me to start out here.
It's very icy.
All right, well, let's go.
Woo!
I need the non-iciest patch.
Right here. Come on, girl. Woo! She is cold. Whoop tire. Are you gonna take it for a spin?
I'll try.
Sun's out, guns out. That's what's nice about the winter. You don't even need a kickstand. She just sits up by herself. Look at that. Woo! Oh, she's windy.
Line up so I'm not towards the hill.
Yeah, well, the hill's better than the side of my truck, so. All right, Brad's gonna rip her real quick, or attempt to before we wrap up the video. Starts every time.
Every time.
So kick her down and then just ride out that clutch and don't hit me or the truck.
Holy
Yeah, as soon as you start
You know what, it's slippery, eh?
Oh, it's very
Like-
slippery. It's like complete ice under here. There's not much powder. Like this is basically just a sheet of ice under here, so.
Alright, I'm gonna go. That's probably about it for me, guys.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Well, at least you got your 408 shirt on underneath. We can take a picture of you for the Team 408 page. If you guys want to follow on Team 408, the link's down below.
Am I just letting off on it?
Yeah, you gotta, don't let off, just keep going. If you feel like you're starting to slow down, give her more gas.
Alright.
Last chance.
Last chance.
And then we'll finish this video up. You in neutral? There you go. Yeah. Oh, he's going. He's going. It's so friggin' slippery under there. Oh, well, and he's down. That's hilarious.
Later down.
Good job.
I got farther than I thought it was.
All right, well, lift her back up. Let's toss it in the truck and we'll wrap this up.
All right.
We're gonna continue on, do some more videos. Thank you guys for watching, as always. Check out the new Team 408 page, or Instagram page. There's a link below. Give us a follow. All the new followers are entered in for a poster and stickers. So if you guys want to win that, I pick out a few every week. So anyways, thank you guys again. You're awesome. Brad, any last words?
Get out there and try new things, kids.
Don't play video games.
Don't play video games.
Be awesome.
Hashtag get outside.
Hashtag get outside. All right. We'll see you guys later.